every serious agent product on the market uses skills. If you never used skills before, or you've used them but still don't really get what they are, this video is for you. Today, let's talk about skills. What are skills? A skill is simply a Markdown file. That's it. A plain text file like a note you write to yourself. But what's inside that file makes it very interesting. Inside that file are prompts, not random prompts that follow a very specific structure. Let's look at those structures. Part number 1, name. This is just what you call your skill. It also tells your agent where to find it. Right now, I'm using Claude as my agent, and in this case, there is a specific designated skills directory where skills are stored, and I'll show you in a bit. Second part, description. This is the most important part of the skill. The description tells the agent what this is and when to use it. Part number 3, instructions. Now we get specific. We let the agent know what process should the skill follow. What should it output? What rules must it follow? This is the actual playbook. Okay, 3 parts, that's it, simple enough. But here's the question you're probably asking. Why does the skill has to have those 3 parts? Why can't we just write one big block of prompts and call that a day? The answer is this. That's because the agent reads that structure and decide when the skill should be invoked. When the agent reads the skill, name and description are always loaded, and that only costs you 100 token max. Only if agent decides, okay, this skill is relevant for what user is asking right now, then it's gonna load the instructions. For example, if you're just asking the agent, hey, what's today's date? More likely or not, none of the skills will be invoked. And hence the agent can carry 20, 30, or 40 skills at the same time without costing you any tokens. They are only invoked when necessary. Let me walk through an example with you. You're probably wondering how I created these animations. The answer is I created a skill within Claude called YouTube Animator. To do so, go to Claude and click on the customize icon on the left, and then click on skills. The name of the skill is just called YouTube Animator. The description says create broadcast quality video-free HTML animation for YouTube long form video. And within the instructions, I defined a lot of things. For instance, I defined what kind of color should we use, what kind of background should we use, what are the screen sizes, and what button user presses to trigger what kind of animation. And with this skill, I can create high quality, consistent animations for all my YouTube videos going forward. If you want to create a new skill, just click on the plus button and click create with Claude. And Claude will guide you through the whole skill creation process. You don't even need to type too many words. Okay, that's it. That's what skill is. To recap, skill is just a Markdown file that helps your agent do its job. With the skill created, the agent can do its job consistently without you repeating yourself constantly and cost you minimum token. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.